Hello quillers, today let us see how I make color samples for my quilling strips. I have a similar video earlier, but this one is made a little different and with the new quilling strips from Quilling Hub. This video is actually shooted in 2020 after they released their new batch of quilling strips, but I took this long to edit the video for you. If you already buy paper strips from Quilling Hub or planning to buy and make a color sample sheet for yourself, then I have a PDF of this sheet which you could download from my Facebook page agnespaperandcrafts, whose link is given in the description below. Remember, this is not a sponsored post, but I love the products of Quilling Hub and I can be sure that I get the same color every time I order from them. Using my motorized quilling tool, I make tight coils of the quilling papers and adhere them to corresponding color name and code. Using this color samples help me to find right color easily without checking all the packs of quilling strips and feeling overwhelmed. For different shops, I prefer using different sheets. As other shops don't usually have color code like Quilling Hub have, I number them myself for easy accessibility. I also use a ruler to make it stay on a straight line to have a neat look. When you see all the papers, there will be a slight difference in the tight coil shape because there may be slight difference in the GSM of the quilling strips used. It may be like 90 or 100, so there will be a little difference, but all the strips are of really good quality. I finally put them in a file leaf and keep it in my table or stick it to the wall using a masking tape so I can reach out to it whenever needed. If you find this video useful, give a like for the video so I could know and YouTube too knows it and suggest it to other people. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Thanks for watching. Some of my other videos are which paper is good for quilling, how to make quill honeybee, how to mail quill greeting cards.